Take a rectangular piece of 9 into 20 centimeters, fold it into half. Start with drawing shown pattern with the measurements given. Cut the vertical lines of the biggest rectangle. Crease it using scale and fold it inwards. Again, cut the arms of rectangle and crease it and fold it inside. Repeat the same steps for the smallest rectangle. Take a decorative paper of 22 into 10 centimeters and paste the cake pattern which we have made inside it. For hearts, we'll require 3 squares of 6 cm, 5 cm and 4 cm each. Fold the squares, draw a heart shape on it. While cutting heart shape, stop just before reaching the curve of heart. Open the fold and cut from one side and paste it. For better demonstration, I have given the example of the heart, how it's to be cut, and then later how it's to be pasted. Paste their sides and use the sparkle to highlight the boundary. Paste this entire heart structure on the card and write any quote inside it or just happy birthday.